Guys, hi, this is Tulsi. Welcome back to my channel. I share videos related to art on this channel, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so today's video is all about doodling. I'm sharing a video of doodling after a long time, and today's video is all about mandala art. If you have not checked my previous videos regarding to doodling, go and check it out. Click on the I button above. I've tried mandala art on black and white, both backgrounds. So let's get started. Okay, so to start with, I have taken two same size cardboards, one white card sheet and one black card sheet of same size. Then you'll require a rounder. Then I've taken this white gel pen, which is of Uniball company, to draw on black paper, and I'm using these Micron pens, Micron 08 and Micron 04, for drawing on white paper. These are the pens used for doodling generally. If you wish to buy any of these pens, I'll leave a link in the description. Click on the link and it will guide you to the product directly. Okay, what I'm doing here is I just mark a center point of the paper and I'm drawing the circles of different size. Later on the black sheet, I'll mark the same size circles. I'll draw the same size circles on the black sheet as well. Be very careful if you want symmetric mandala that your circle size matches. Once the circle has been drawn, the next thing you need to do is, with the help of a protractor, mark lines from the center at equal distance. So be very careful while making the grid, because the base of mandala is making grid. Once that was done, what I did was I made some basic shapes with the help of pencil, and then now I am starting to do the mandala with white pen. Always remember pencil first, because you cannot correct once you start doing it with pen. If your circles and your lines are at equal distance, that is that your grid is symmetric, there is no chance your shapes will be non-symmetric. They'll all look the same. You just have to follow the rounds and the lines. Once the basic design of mandala has been done, start with small shapes. Start filling in the shapes with different design patterns. Try to be very delicate and intricate in filling the patterns. The more detailing you do, the more beautiful your artwork will look later on. Ta-da! My half of the mandala artwork is been done, and it is looking very pretty on the black sheet. The next thing you need to do is you need to copy the same design on the white paper. Be careful while copying the design. The final goal is to make the black and the white sheet mandala look the same. If your rounds and the lines that we drew before, that is the grid, is same on the black and white paper, same size wise, your design will definitely be the same. So the basic thing is your grid should be the same. And then while filling in the shapes, remember the filling should be same as that drawn on the black base. the next thing to do is rub all the pencil marks from both the black and the white card sheet and stick both the card sheets to the cardboard properly. And here the black and white version of mandala art is all ready and it looks so beautiful. The plan is to stick the artwork to the walls. And this is done. It is looking awesome. It is really adding to the beauty of this corner wall. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. And if you happen to make something inspired from my video, do share your work with me on Instagram. The link is given in the description box below. Until then, bye. Take care.